The Chaplaincy team has supported me in so many ways, in terms of my faith and in terms of who I am as a person, finding your purpose, They have this authentic desire, this authentic will to just impact knowledge into anyone. The chaplaincy has helped me discover my faith in many distinct ways, because you realize as a student, it's not just your academics that matter. You have your spiritual life, you have your physical life, you have your mental life as well. So it's not just, oh, I'm just here to get the A's. No. The spiritual reflection has made me more sensitive and intuitive. It makes you think outside the box. Instead of just thinking, oh, I'm a person, you sort of realize, oh, we actually do have purpose in life. One of the topics I really loved we have so many topics of the Catholic Church, of the Muslim, different things in spiritual reflection. But one of the topics I really liked was finding your purpose. It's you have these questions. Who is God? Why are we here? What am I doing here? What is the next step after this? Where are we going after? And so many things encompass. And you realize that, oh, thinking about these actually, it sort of takes you on another journey. What it means to me to be surrounded in a body of mixed faith is that you get to see different perspectives, and you get to see how different people actually worship God. You see how God is even creative himself and creating different people. If you're around people who can teach you, who can impact knowledge into you, that is wonderful, because then you can grow spiritually, mentally, physically, and all otherwise.